one last thing to mention is engines in general and Merge Tree in particular comes with hundreds of settings you can tune for very specific use cases. For instance, if we do a query to system settings, filtering by merge, priority, block, or part settings, we can see there are hundreds of them, and this comes with a cost, which is the complexity problem. There are tens of settings to tune merges to avoid parts explosions. Remember the too many parts problem, very typical. To configure wide versus compact parts, to configure replication, recovery, backups, observability. This is like too much for developers that are just willing to ship analytics features, and this is where Managed ClickHouse come in. Remember, open source gives you usually full control and manual operations over many things, but sometimes you want most of the engine internals to be already abstract and tuned for you. Some operations like migrations to be automated. Simple schema evolution. Remember, parts in ClickHouse are immutable, and that makes partitions and sorting key immutable as well. So you need a way to actually evolve those when you need them. And of course, better developer experience, etc. So this is why ClickHouse Managed come in, and this is why we're building this series of videos called ClickHouse for Developers, in which we are unveiling the internals on ClickHouse to later introduce the right developer tools that enable developers to build analytic systems on top of it.